Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all well. In today's episode, let's talk crepes. We're going to be talking about the Converse Comme des Garcons collaboration in the white low tops. If you're new to the channel, please give me a like, comment down below and subscribe. I upload every Saturday, and with that being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so just a little bit of history before we get into the shoe itself, like I always do. This is a Converse Comme des Garcons Chuck Low in the white colourway. Sorry if I'm butchering the pronunciation of Comme des Garcons. I might just call it CDG to prevent any further mistakes being made. The first pair of these released back in 2016. I'll be honest, I don't know what year these are because they've been re-released so many times, and I'll be lying if I said I was the biggest Converse fan. However, I do really like these. I think they're very simplistic, very simple but very effective shoe, and have become sort of a cult classic in the sneaker community. This colourway and many other ones as well. So the box has Converse Play CDG on the front of it, and you have the CDG love heart here, or the heart and eyes logo as it's referred to as well. Size tag is there. This is a UK 11. Now, I made a mistake of buying these on StockX and thinking that it was all US sizes, and on the Converse for some reason it's all like sort of a generic size. So if don't make the same mistake I did, if you go true to size, don't size up like I did and made a mistake of having to try and wear thick socks when wearing these. But anyway, let's get into the box. I've taken the paper out of these. I've worn these sneakers loads, so I'll be honest, I don't know where the paper went, but it's not really important. It was just a standard tissue paper on these ones anyway. So, on the shoe itself, like I say, sorry, there's stains on these. I have been wearing them, like I said. You've got a sort of canvas material throughout the upper, including sort of like the printed CDG heart with eyes there, and you've also got some black canvas strips on the back here as well. You've got the sort of like the rubberized aspects as well on the toe box here, and you've got your sort of typical Chuck outsole in the brown sort of colourway there. It is an all-star, this one. One thing I do love about this shoe is how padded the insoles are. Look at all that padding. Honestly, it's like walking on a trampoline. It's fantastic. Really good quality from Converse in that respect. Ignore that, that's my sign falling down. Anyway, we will jump to an on foot now and go from there. So I'll see you at that. Okay, so that just about wraps up the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, comment and subscribe. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps me out massively at growing the channel. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.